guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. So there's hype about virgin coconut oil everywhere, and everybody's talking about that. Now let us know why. Now first, let's clear one thing. What is virgin coconut oil and what is normal coconut oil? The big difference in both of them is the way they have been extracted. Regular coconut oil is extracted from dry coconut or copra. The copra is pressed and then all the oil comes down. It is then refined, bleached and recolorized. In all this process, few things of nutrients and all of it is gone away, and also it's not the actual color. Whereas virgin coconut oil is extracted from fresh milk of coconut and does not go under any other process like refining, decolorizing, etc. etc. So it has all the nutrient, vitamins and all the good things you need. Regular coconut oil is refined. Few oils have a little added aroma or essence added to them because they go through a lot of process. Virgin coconut oil has more aroma, essence, and it has a lot of antioxidants because it doesn't go through any refined process or has no bleaching going on. Now you're like, oh, this is more good, this is more pure, then I will take virgin coconut oil, then I will leave that. Now how are you going to define which is virgin coconut oil, because both of them look the same? Now I have some tips for you to recognize which is virgin coconut oil. So first tip, very simple. Few of the virgin coconut oils, they have very big labels saying they have virgin coconut oil, which in regular coconut oil you cannot see. So there's one thing which is very clear and you can be selective of, okay, this is virgin coconut oil and I'm going to pick that. Next, to see is, few of them would have no label in it, then go see, they would have mentioned it is refined or not refined. Now you also know if it is refined, then it is the regular coconut oil. If it is not refined, then it is virgin coconut oil. Now there are few brands which say extra virgin coconut oil. Now what is that? That is more pure? So basically they both are same. Virgin coconut oil and extra virgin coconut oil are the same. But only one difference that they are mentioning extra virgin coconut oil, it's because basically they're trying to tell you is the coconut oil is made out of highest quality coconuts which you can get in the market, and they are 100% pure and have no toxins. That's simple as that. And few have cold pressed oil. Now what is that? So basically for regular coconut oils, they are boiled in a very high temperature to get extracted. Whereas virgin coconut oil, where they have mentioned cold press, is boiled in a very minimum temperature and does not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This process is done to retain all the nutrients that the actual coconut oil contains. So now you know which to buy, virgin coconut oil or the regular coconut oil, because virgin coconut oil you know how to buy too, because it has mentioned cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. If you just see that label, then just pick it up and use it. Now let's see what benefits extra virgin coconut oil can do for our skin. First one, as extra virgin coconut oil is cold pressed, they have no greasiness and all they have is good fat. So you can use extra virgin coconut oil as moisturizer. As soon as you are out of your shower, you can apply it. Even when your skin is a little wet, you can apply it on your skin to use it as a moisturizer. As there is no greasiness, you will never feel like you're applying any oil and later be like, oh my god, I have to take another shower because there's oil. No, you don't feel anything like that. No greasiness, and you will not at all feel like you're applying any oil because your skin absorbs everything. If you still don't believe me, I will show you. There's actually no greasiness and it will be just like as you have applied moisturizer. You can stop spending money on shaving creams in any of it, because you can use extra virgin coconut oil instead of shaving creams before you shave. Just apply coconut oil and your skin becomes so soft. Because you have applied extra virgin coconut oil, it will avoid all irritational bumps on your skin, the side effects of shaving. Do you know how this oil plug for skin, for face is a trend? You can actually use extra virgin coconut oil on your skin as it is rich in antioxidant. It actually makes you heal your skin with a good time for a massage. Just put a few drops of extra virgin coconut oil on your palm, rub it, do the massage and relax. Extra virgin coconut oil is high in nutrients and it helps you lock moisture in your skin. You can treat all kind of skin diseases like eczema, etc. etc. If you have flaky skin and also winter is not very far, you can make sure to prep yourself up with some moisturizer, that is extra virgin coconut oil, as it just not moisturizes your skin, it also treats your skin diseases. If you are also a natural lover, oh my god, just like me, you can actually use extra virgin coconut oil to prepare your DIY scrub. Just take few drops of extra virgin coconut oil, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, sugar or coffee powder, and voila, your body scrub is ready. It feels so good because you have soft skin to enjoy after that. Last but not the least, known fact for many, you can also use it as a cleanser or a makeup remover. Instead of the makeup removers, you can use extra virgin coconut oil as your makeup remover and get rid of all the makeup, which also helps your skin to feel relaxed and fresh. Small secret that I want you to let you know. Everybody knows that using Vaseline as a highlighter. Now, did you know that you could also use extra virgin coconut oil as highlighter just like Vaseline? Now let's learn the benefits of extra virgin coconut oil for our hair. As we use a lot of heat on our hair, it can be straightening, curling, or even just hair dryer, or we don't use anything, we dry our hair naturally and we still dry it under sun. That's also heat. So our hair goes through a lot because of us, and thus we see a lot of hair breakage and split ends. If you're going through this, then just know that apply coconut oil on your scalp and the split ends, and you can get rid of it gradually. Do you also want luscious, voluminous, beautifully healthy hair just like me? Then just know that you have to apply coconut oil to your scalp. Give a good massage because coconut oil, because of its all good nutrients and all of it, improves your hair growth and also stops hair fall, which in total is equal to gives you luscious, healthy hair. Your hair and scalp also needs to be moisturized as it becomes dry during cold seasons just like your skin. So you are supposed to moisturize it to avoid dandruff, as dandruff runs towards us when your scalp is dry. And it's like, hey dude, I'm back. So to avoid dandruff, apply coconut oil to your scalp, give it a good massage, feel relaxed. And next day morning, take a shower to feel fresh. Everybody loves monsoon and like to dance in rain. But the horror twist of the story, when you are back to enjoy your frizz, full hair. Monsoon is now, and it's that time of the year where your hair is not listening to you. I mean, it never does, but it's all over the place. It's always frizzy, and my god, please give me a good hair day. Apply good amount of oil on your frizzy hair, ends, scalp. Then gradually you will be back to the course of good hair day. Do you want thick eyebrows and eyelashes? Then just mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil and apply on your eyebrows and eyelash to have them thicker and longer. Start your brow game. Now that you know why to buy and which to buy, yeah, but still you have so many options for extra virgin coconut oil. Let me tell you which one to buy. So today I have Merit VCO with me. This is Merit VCO's extra virgin coconut oil. As you already know, I am a big fan of natural products, and it's just that chemical and makeup doesn't fit me well, okay? Nothing against though. So why Merit VCO? So this brand is actually very known for their virgin coconut oil because VCO stands for virgin coconut oil. So now you know like why. As you know that I have given you all the gyan you need to know why extra virgin coconut oil. Let me also tell you why Merit VCO, because their extra virgin coconut oil is extracted from tender coconut milk, which is more pure, dude. And as it's extra virgin coconut oil, the aroma is superb. Most of the coconut oils is not edible, but this one is edible as well as can be applied. They have in 3 sizes. So this is 500 ml. You're like, oh my god, what shall I do with so much oil in life? Then you can go with 250 ml and you feel like, yeah, but this is still more for me. They also have 100 ml. So you have 3 options. So if you want to give a try to know the actual difference, like refined coconut oil or extra virgin coconut oil, give a try with the small one and then you will eventually start loving it. So you will start buying the 500 ml one. So why actually I loved their packing is because they have this, I don't know what you call this, but they have this so it doesn't fall off, okay? And any oil for that instance, you open and you are concentrating to take a little, and because of the big mouth, more of it falls. Either because of that few drops of oil falls down, or you waste it, or a lot of oil is poured in your hand. So because of this one, you can make a small hole and just, take few drops slowly, and you make sure you take the right amount of oil to apply. I would have put the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. This is not a marketing video, but it's just benefits of extra virgin coconut oil can do to you. So that's it for today's video. I think it was too much of gyan and I really hope that gyan is helpful for you. Now you know how to use, when to use, which to use, where to buy and why to buy. So that's it for today's video. I will meet you all in my next video. Until then,